today we're going to be playing the Nintendo 64. Or, we don't have a Nintendo 64, we just have a controller and a game. Let's microwave it. Okay, our microwave is still black from the fireworks. But let's put this in there.
What's this?
Shut up. Okay, let's put it in there for 5 minutes. And start.
Why did you spray paint an X on it?
Because we can. Oh my gosh, if nothing happens to this thing, I'm going to...
Why?
Because there's so much wire inside of this thing. Oh, it's smoking.
Does that happen first?
Usually, it smokes a lot. Dang, it's smoking a lot. That smells really bad.
Yeah. I'll trade you glasses.
No. It's just like smoking. Nothing else is happening to it.
Yeah. Where's the fireworks at?
We used them all.
Oh, that smells bad.
Gosh. Smells like burnt microwave.
Yeah. What if the microwave blows up too?
That'd be pretty sweet.
Yeah. Then everything around us blew up.
No.
And what if it starts fire?
Set on fire a bunch of times. Oh, something's popping. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. When we say don't try this at home, we're serious. It takes forever.
Oh! Oh my god.
Rick, I'm gonna go stop it. It's not gonna...
Try something else.
Gotta open this thing first. Oh. Oh.
What?
God.
What?
Jeez, that smells so bad. Oh. God. Started to melt. I don't really want to touch it.
Is it hot? Is it hot, Sam?
No. Yeah, it started to melt on the edge.
Let's try again.
No.
We probably have to do one at a time.
No, that'd be boring. Let's just put this with all the other things that failed.
What? Those all failed?
Yeah, nothing happened with any of these.